Got some work to do on a 2022 Can-Am Ryker. What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got a 2022 Can-Am Ryker in there, needs a little TLC. First thing we have is we're going to be replacing the fender. Got damaged. He had speakers on there, so we're going to be changing that. We're definitely wrapping it, changing the whole look for 2024. And we're going to add some tinted turn signals in there, get rid of the amber, keep the all black theme. So, welcome to the Ryker Garage, or I would like to call it the Ryker Hospital. And let's get busy. Here's our wrap. It's in quite a lot of pieces. So what I'm gonna do this time is since I'm used to wrapping and I pretty much know where each piece goes, so I'm just gonna start taking pieces out and wrapping and starting from there. So we'll start with pieces that I automatically know, which is gonna be, here's the front end. So let's go over to the front and start that. So after I clean off the area, since it's a little cold here, I like to heat up the surface just to get it warm, and then I'll heat up the actual wrap before I stick it on there too, just to get it nice and soft before I apply it. So this is going to go here. So it's not really good to do it in the cold, but unfortunately this is the weather we get in New York City, and this is the weather you have to deal with. I'm going to turn on some lights so you can see. Shout out to my boy Showtime on Instagram. Alright, so I usually like to lay out the pieces before I start sticking them on, but since I'm so used to doing them now, I pretty much got to feel where every piece goes. Sometimes I'm a little off, but I'm gonna just show you so far what we're working with. So that's a sneak peek. There's more to come. Like I said, I'm gonna be adding lights to this and fixing some other the light strips. So let's keep on working. Okay, still wrapping this bike. Got a lot of headway done. It's really cold out here. I don't really like to show it before I do it, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek at the front. I didn't do the fenders yet, but this is the front. Now I want to turn the lights out, but what I'm gonna do is shine a light on it. I'm gonna turn the lights out and put a light on it. A lot more work to do. Let's just keep going. Alright, so let's go ahead and wrap these fenders. We got the new ones, which is perfect. So we're going to wrap these new outer fenders. And then we're going to take off the old fenders and connect them together. Alright, so did the lights, the sequential turn signals are done, installed. Just a quick reminder, you don't have to do what I did, removing the fender and separating the fenders from the two pieces. You could just remove the fender from the 4 bolts and work from underneath. The only reason I did it because I had to replace the fenders on this. So if you look at the turn signal now, it's black. So if we light it up, see where we get that smooth set of lights where it's not just a dot, a dot, a dot, a dot. And there's the sequence. So you see that effect, it eliminates all those little dots that used to be before in the fenders. Now this is the new style. And it's beveled. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful accent to your bike. Alright, so it's dark out and I'm done. I finished the bike, full wrap, custom turn signals. Everything's done. Let me show you what it looks like. Turn out the lights. We get a full glow. Alright, so that's it. Another one in, another one satisfied with the Ryker doctor's work. Come through if you need something done. And remember, everybody, ride safe, ride safe.